Okay, we have insufficient surface clearance, broken cap cover, coming to the HVAC indoor air handler, the furnace, the gas coming to it. We got CSST that's not bonded, and the jacket is wearing off. Okay, we do not have a care and use manual. The cables are kind of short right there at the connection. And our flue is too close to combustible material. On the evaporator coil, nothing really to report on except that our primary evaporator coil, we should have a cap on this to aid in the trap, and this trap should have been insulated. We got a little bit of rust in the pan. And on the air duct, we got an air duct on the ground, we got air duct that's sagging, we got air duct that's leaking around the plenum. We also got a split rafter right here. This one looks like it's about to split. They use this rafter to support your HVAC equipment, which there's no room to put it. But we tied it to the rafter, and the rafter's starting to split. How about that? And some of our sheathing's torn on our air duct. Properly installed. Look at that tear up there. Properly installed air duct will get you a quick return on your investment.